Hello everyone. Now we're going to be making an audiogram. What is that? Well, it's a simple way to turn podcast audio into video so that it can be used on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so how do we do this and how do we do it on the cheap? Well, we can go to a free tool like Headliner. At least it's free for the first 10 videos, and then you can get some others that have watermarks on them. But try it out, see if you want to do this kind of thing. Okay, so I've already signed up, so I've logged in. I'm just going to hit Audiogram. Now I have a piece of audio that I am going to drop in here. So I'm going to go to an audio file and just get that piece of audio, drag it in there, and then it's being uploaded. Now I want a transcription because I want the audience to be able to see what the words are in case that they can't turn the audio up, right? If they're at work or something, I want this in English. I'm going to hit next. Here's my audio file. Now I don't need to do anything here because I already edited it, and that's how I prefer to work. Then I can choose the different aspect ratios, landscape for YouTube or websites, the square for Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and then the more portrait one for Instagram stories, Snapchat, and TikTok. I want the square one. I'm going to hit next. Now I can put the audio in. I could make it a halo like this. I could make it wave bars. That's what I prefer. And I then can choose where I'm going to put that. I'm going to put that in the middle, and I'm going to shrink the size. So all I need to do is come down a little bit like this. All right, now I need to add my image. So I'm going to go to where my file folder is, and I'm going to bring that in. Then I have the crop tool, so I'm just going to go up here a little bit, crop that. Now I want to edit some text. I want to just say Vietnam vets at the wall. And I think I'm going to just highlight that. Let's see, move this a little bit here and see if I can maybe make this with a bold. There we go. And we'll move it a little bit more like there. Okay. Now if I have what I want, then I'll just hit save. So now what I've done is I've left room down here for the transcription. I have the name in, I have the audio file, and now I'm just going to create the project. So now it's cooking. The pie is cooking. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to wait for a little bit. And then what happens is the transcription will come up. And what you want to do is you want to go in and kind of troubleshoot that transcription. It's pretty good, but there'll be some phrases that you may need to fix. And so you're going to want to do that. So right now it is creating the project. There we are. Now it's going to be, here's the transcription. So I'm going to play this. I already know that I need to capitalize the person's last name here. For Dennis Carrier, and I'm going to, because I know the audio for Dennis Carrier, comma, the wound, and we'll make that one sentence there. The wound that won't, the wound that won't heal. Okay, and we'll take this out, and we'll play it.
My best friend is there.
See, it's pretty accurate.
And he's there now. And that's why I'm here. Really tight. His name was Danny Ewing, and he was from Tennessee, and I was from California. He never came home. I didn't have very many friends. I don't do that well right now even. A lot of PTSD and things like that. Just trying to heal.
Okay, I'm just going to add one word here. Just trying to heal. And that will do it. Okay, so now I have checked the transcription, have the picture, have the text in there. I'm going to export it. Take a quick look here. I'm going to export my video. And what will happen now is that this will be, again, cooking, as we say. and that process may take a few minutes, and then it will be so that we can download it to our desktop. We'll see how long this takes here. Again, this is probably a 35 to 40 second audio. Here it is right there. Okay, we're going to click here and preparing the download. Here is the download right here. I can get that right there and go put it on my desktop. But I can show you what it looks like right here.
My best friend is there.
Pretty neat. That is pretty neat. And you can take that folder file right here, and you can upload that to Twitter or YouTube or whatever social media you want to use. Okay, so that's a good little trick to use, and I hope it made it clear for you, and we'll call it a day.